All right, I wanted to show you just real quickly how to create your video if you were needing some assistance. So all you have to do is go down here to your magnifying glass and type in camera. And this will pop up. You will click on the video right there. And so then you have a video created for your Culture Connection introduction video that I've asked you for. All it has to be is 2 to 3 minutes, really something pretty short, introducing who you are, what you do at the university, and how Q2 has impacted you, whether you've been here for 3 years, 2 years, whatever it has been. Tell us how it has impacted you, your division, and maybe even how it's a little bit different and how it distinguishes Lindenwood from other institutions that you've been at. That's all we're asking for, and we really, really appreciate it. So you'll stop your video once you do that, and all you have to do next is maybe go back to the video, and I right-click here and I open the folder, so it just tells me, and I'll show you that real fast, it tells me where it's saved to. So for me, I know it's under my users, B. Brown, pictures, and camera roll. So then if I go in here to my SharePoint where I have added all of you, I can go here to upload files. All right, so mine is in Windows, and users, my name, and then I believe it was pictures. And there it is. Click on it, hit open, and we'll refresh. And there it is. So that's my video, and I can just click here and rename it. There it is. You can use it for your own video, and just call me if you have trouble.